I've noticed that whales have been buying SRM lately. Not that much in last 24 hours, which is worrying in this deep, but they have been buying some. And I want to make a video and see what kind of interest do you guys have in SERUM. Let me know if you want me to make this into a daily series talking about SRM. But basically the volume in the last 24 hours is at 95 mil, up 63%, which is very, very big compared to market cap. That's 30-ish% volume to market cap. We rarely see that on tokens. When we see that, there's a huge community behind them. Maybe there's not a lot of whales behind them, but there's a huge community behind them. If you want to buy SRM and support the channel, by the way, use the first link in the comment section and the first link in the description down below. It really, really helps out. So what do we know about SRM right now? I'll go to the chart and I'll show you a few things. First of all, we dipped below the institutional zone, which is not good, but to the actual support area, which is $2.23. I still have some short targets. This is not FUD. I just wanted to tell you that people are expecting a few dumps right in here and right here. My indicators are showing me these dumps as probable outcomes of this dip. But I really hope we don't have to see them. It's very, very possible that we just retrace from here, because this market manipulation, the yellow axis, pretty much finished at $2.20, and we pumped for over 10% last time. That was on the 12th of April. Some good things that are happening right now is VWAP is curving up, as you can see right here. It's curving right up, and on the 3-hour chart, something that you will notice is that VWAP is curving as well, and we had a huge amount of red money flow for pretty much over 10 days now, which seems to be ending right here because we're curving like this. Something that I want to point out as well is that I personally buy crypto when we have the fear index at low levels, preferably 20 or lower. If you actually go to this chart in last year and you only bought when the crypto, just the general example, right? You also gotta keep in mind which currencies you want to buy, because some tokens just flourish in the red markets. We talked about Volt is pumping right now, Saitama is pumping, a few other projects are pumping as well right now. But in general, if you just bought and held for 2-3 months when you had extreme fear in the markets at 10 fear index, you would have made bank if you just sold at the resistance fear level, which here it was around 70 here, right? And right now, if you buy it around 20, which we had a few times, and sell around 50-60, that's just my strategy. By the way, this video is no financial advice. SERUM is one of the things I'm looking into buying in this dip. I gotta tell you, yes, I'll hedge my bets with some shorts along the way, but I do think it's a really good buy right now. I wanted to actually see the Google Trends for the past 30 days. How is SERUM performing? Because it has been declining lately, but how is it in terms of searchability? Are people interested in it? Because if a price is declining but there's a rising interest in search, that's a very bullish divergence that shows a strong momentum to be had. And we're seeing something like that in the last few days. As you can see right here, we're actually spiking in terms of interest. That's worldwide. It's interesting that China and Nigeria is searching for SRM. Belgium, I've seen a lot of Belgium interest in a lot of cryptocurrencies, altcoins with below 1 bill volume per day lately. But yeah, that's definitely something very, very interesting for SERUM. Let me know what you think about the price in the comment section down below. Would you be buying any? Why would you be interested in SERUM? I really want to know. You might have noticed that I didn't really beg you for a like or anything. What I'm here for is to present you with the news in the best way I can. So if you appreciate that, all you gotta do is slap the like button. If not, that's okay. I'm still here for you. Subscribe if you want to, because I will show you over 12 videos per day with latest tokens, hottest tokens in my opinion, and latest news, so you are up to date. If you appreciate that, hit the subscribe button. I want to see you in the next video. This video is no financial advice. Bye.